Recurring transactions. We're going to automate the entry of recurring transactions in the system. To complete this process, we'll first create a batch to be used as a template. Then create a schedule for the batch, run the schedule and generate a batch, and finally, release the generated batch. To begin with, from the Finance workspace, create a new Journal Transactions form. Type in a description for this form. The status of this transaction is on hold. To give it a status of balanced, click Remove Hold. We'll now add entries for debit account and credit account. Click the Add Row icon. Select the debit account for the recurring transaction. And specify the debit amount. Now, let's specify the credit account by adding a new row. Select the credit account. And this time, notice that the debit amount we indicated in the previous row is automatically added by the system in the credit amount field. Now, save this batch transaction. Next, let's create a schedule for the batch. Click the More menu and click the Add to Schedule option. The Recurring Transactions form opens, where you can configure a schedule to repeat based on your requirement. Select the start date of the automation. Specify how many times the transaction can be executed. If the execution has no limits, select the No Limit checkbox. Select a recurrence type and day. Once you are done, save the schedule. Now, let's run the schedule and generate a batch. To do so, open the Generate Recurring Transactions form from the Finance workspace. Select an execution date and the number of executions. Then, select the unlabeled checkbox in the row of the schedule you created, and click Run to generate the batch according to the schedule. A pop-up window appears to confirm that the process has been completed. Click the drop-down arrow for the Processed tab. Click the link in the Schedule ID column. The system opens the Recurring Transactions form. Click the Generated Documents tab. And verify that a batch has been generated by the template. Finally, to complete this process, let's release the generated batch. Go to the Finance workspace and click the Release Transactions form. Select the unlabeled checkbox for the batch you generated and click Release. And that's it. The processing pop-up window appears, confirming that the transaction has been completed.